How to add gift card in Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of account. Once you're in the account page, over here you're going to find different options. At the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on that. You'll be directed to the account settings page. Now navigate to the option of wallet. Now from here, you can easily add gift card in Walmart app. Select the option of gift card, click on it. Now provide your gift card details, type in the card number, then type in the PIN. Type in the gift card nickname. In the case you are not able to find the PIN, check on the back of your card. There you will find the PIN. After you provide all the details, click on Save Card, and with that your gift card will be added in Walmart app. So this way you can easily add gift card in Walmart app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.